Hi folks, welcome to the channel. So, it's got warm again. I can't believe it. Like it's 23 degrees, clear blue skies. Fantastic. So I thought I'd take the sunroof down, t-shirt on, and go on a wee trip. So what I've done, I've typed into Google top places to go in Murcia area and picked out 4 with a minimum of 4.5 stars, and I'm going to go to them all today. Now, still in February, so there'll be at least a couple of damn squids because there's going to be nobody there, but we'll go and show you where they are anyway. But I've been waiting on a day like this for ages. From mid last week, I was looking at the weather for the next 10 days, and I've looked every day, and today, Wednesday, right from the middle of last week, was shown as going to be hot and sunny, and I thought, no way, it'll gradually change. It didn't. It's amazing how accurate it is. I thought the weather forecast wasn't that accurate a week away, but this has been spot on. So fantastic. So I hope you enjoy the trip. So onward and upward. Archery. Now, I haven't brought you up here just to look at archery. This is one of these places that has loads of outdoory type things to do, horses and four-wheelers and all that sort of stuff. Two of these horses are staring right at me. They're coming over, they're all coming over. Hello. There. There. Hola.
Se llama Bonito.
Bonito. Hello, Bonito. Yours?
No, it's not
No,
me.
it's not here.
I have
Balade, comment on dit balade? Balade.
Romain.
Yeah, belongs to. Oh, Rome.
One is very good. Is mejor. The mejor. What's your name?
Right, that's another one for the bucket list. I was actually on a horse once in New York. My cousin's partner, who was a proper horseman, talked me into going, and then galloped and frightened the wits out of me. But yeah, another one for the bucket list. So maybe do that. Of course, in saying that, I'd probably be safer on that wee fella there. Hello. Maybe donkey as well. Hello. Come on. There. No. You're nice. Hello, donkey. I'm definitely turning into an outdoorsy person. Getting stirred up by another horse. It's a wee bit like you feel like, God, I have to go and pet him. He's looking at me. Or she. She. Then, as they say in the cowboy films, get off your horse and drink your coffee. I love crazy golf, but I definitely get too competitive when I play it. All the prices, I'll put a link to this place in the description below, so you can have a look at all the prices. I haven't looked yet. It's fantastic. I'm sure in a busy season this would be fun. All different sizes. I think there's people about to go out on them, so I'll just hang about and see where they go. The course looks very big. I would imagine there'd be treks up into the hills and things, but I don't know. Don't know where this day came from, but it's really, really Spanish sun, heat, beautiful weather. That's a man, his wife and his daughter, and when they were getting on them, she was screaming her eyes, I don't want to get on, I don't want to do it. Then she goes, no, I want to get off, I want to get off. Now she's out there going, yeah. Right, so number 2 spot coming up, onward and upward. So now heading towards the coast, back to the coast. We've been up the hills here and this is wonderful, but we're heading down towards the coast, south to San Pedro del Pinatar, probably pronounced all wrong, sorry anyone that lives here. Just a wee 15-minute drive. Talk to you soon. What a glorious day. Oh, I've missed this sort of weather. It's really, really beautiful. Yesterday I was in Alicante, walking through Alicante and came across a print shop. So I went in, the Rambling Irishman. I went in and said to him, I was just getting in to inquire about prices because I'm so conscious when I'm in a busy area where there's people. I'm so conscious that I'm talking into my camera. I'm worried people think I'm mad, so I figured if I've got my YouTube logo on, it would make people realise I'm not that mad. Does that make sense? Anyway, I just went in to see how much prices, and he said he spoke great English, and he said I can print it off your logo off your YouTube. I thought brilliant. So he got it from that and printed it. And the truth is, it hasn't come out very well. It's very faded looking, but not bad considering. So we'll see. And I've got a big one on the back. He put a big one on the back, and I bought 2 t-shirts. So now I've got t-shirts with my name on them. And do you know, coming out of the apartment block there, I put my hoodie on so no one would see them. Don't know why. The place that we're going now, it's a place where you go to get down and dirty. That's the truth. I'll explain a bit better when I get there. Terrible hard to get parked. Drove way along, must be nearly a mile. It's good to see people about, people on the beach. Wish I'd have worn my shorts. The activity here, this time of the year, you don't see that in Guardamar. Not at all, not even in Torrevieja have I come across anywhere that we sort of buzz about it, holiday buzz. Right, we're nearly here. I don't know where the place is that I'm going to, but I know I'm close. Doubt there'd be anybody in the mud baths today. I think the mud baths are really, here's a wee jetty. Yeah, it's just sort of beachy, muddy stuff. Where I come from, we'll call it silt. I don't know. Don't know. Lovely spot, but and I've just seen my first pink flamingos. Flamingo. Oh, say that wrong. So I was just reading, so what you do is you go in shallow and you get the mud all over you and then come out and let it dry and then back in again. So just imagine that I've just done that and I'm all cleaned up again, and it was great. hearing lots of English language spoken. Again, that's something you don't hear in Guatemala very often. I've changed my mind about how far I walked from the car. It was about a quarter of a mile. I was just being negative. So stop number 3 coming up. I'm heading further south, only about 15 minutes. Yep, 8 kilometers to almost to Los Alcazares. So I'm just leaving San Pedro, and I have to say, I really like this place. This reminds me of the Spain that I knew when I was young. I would definitely consider living here if I stay in Spain, which is unlikely. But it'll be on the if I come back list. You know, it's got a good vibe to it. I like beaches where the road goes up and the shops and restaurants are right there as well. Brilliant.
12 seconds later.
And I was just thinking, then again I could be wrong. Whenever I originally went to Torrevieja, I made a not that great a judgment of it, and then learnt that I was wrong. And now I've come here and right away I've said I like it. So if anyone knows, is this a good place, is this a good spot to live? Let me know. Now I will say, I was hoping there was going to be people here because this is a cracking go-kart track. But I suppose on a Wednesday afternoon, less likely. There's one near where I live and there's always people on it. Coca-Cola place. Another one for the bucket list. Location number 4 coming up. My favourite, one I've been looking forward to. I'm not going to try and pronounce the name. There's a fantastic climb here, but I'm going to leave it. I want to do it, but I'm going to leave it as I think it'll be a full day thing. And it's 5 PM now. Alas, the Spanish pussycat that talks to Stephen. Oh. You're back? Hello. There's a lovely peaceful atmosphere here, and you're right up in the mountains. Now, not a lot to see with regards to the church, etc., but I've enjoyed my half an hour here. And 6 p.m. I left this morning at 9, so pretty long day, so I'm going to stop there. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe. Love to hear your comments. Thumb up would be brilliant, and hit the wee bell icon for me. But until next time, bye for now.